In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank account to your profile on Vinted. By the end, you'll have your payout details set up so you can withdraw earnings from your sales smoothly and securely. First, open your web browser and go to vinted.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. If you're prompted to log in, use your usual credentials and complete any security checks. It helps to do this on a trusted device in a secure network. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu where you can access your account options. If you don't see the icon immediately, try expanding the window or waiting a moment for the page to finish loading. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where you can manage personal information, privacy, and payment tools. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Now, click Payments. This section controls how you pay for purchases and, importantly, how you receive your money from sales. You'll see options related to your Vinted balance and withdrawal methods. Under the withdrawal area, click Add Bank Account. Withdrawals move funds from your Vinted balance to your bank, so this is where you connect those details. If you see a prompt explaining payout requirements for your country, give it a quick read to understand any regional specifics. You'll be asked to enter your account details. Carefully type the exact name on the bank account, then the numbers required in your region. This may be an IBN and BIC Swift or a routing and account number. Double check every digit before continuing. The name you enter should match what your bank has on file to avoid delays. If your bank uses uppercase lettering for IBNs, it's a good idea to follow that format. Next, enter your billing address. Use your legal address as it appears with your bank. Include your full street address, apartment or unit number if you have one, city, state, or region, and an accurate postal code. Consistency with your bank's records helps prevent verification issues. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give the page a moment to process. In some cases, your bank account may show as pending while Vinted completes routine checks. That's normal. You can revisit the payments section later to confirm it's active. Once funds are available in your Vinted balance, you'll be able to withdraw to the bank account you just added. That's all you need to do. Keep your details up to date and only edit them on the official Vinted site. Thanks for watching and happy selling.